Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're on an administrator account and that user account control will accept elevated actions. Once confirmed, open Services, MSC, and an elevated command prompt. Keep registry editor ready. Back up any registry keys you will touch. Export the keys for base filtering engine and Windows Defender Firewall. This prevents permanent damage. Make sure Windows Update and Defender aren't actively running major scans. Once done, you'll change service startup types and prepare to repair registry permissions so the advanced settings can be modified. Next, set base filtering engine, BFE, and Windows Defender Firewall services to automatic, then start them via services or with elevated commands. scconfig BFE start equals auto, sc start BFE, and repeat for MPSSVC. If services fail to start, repair registry permissions. Open regedit, navigate to system /current control, set /services, /BFE, and /MPSSVC. Right-click permissions and grant full control to system and administrators. Once permissions are corrected, restart the services and Windows to let the firewall. Finally, reboot the PC to apply service and registry changes. Then open Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security and confirm the advanced settings are no longer grayed out. If a domain or group policy had overridden local settings, run gpupdate/force and check the local group policy editor. If the console still blocks edits, reset the firewall policy with netch firewall reset and restart services again. One key troubleshooting tip. If changes revert, check for third-party security suites or domain policies enforcing settings and contact your admin before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.